Press the red button to open the box. This is the detection antenna. Detection host. Host battery. Charging base for the host. Information receiving wristwatch. Charger for the wristwatch. Headphone. Step 1. Install the battery. Push the battery up from the back of the host and secure it in place. Pull the bottom buckle and then pull the battery out to remove it. Step 2. Install the antenna on the left side of the device. Step 3. Connect the headphone. Expose the headphone jack. Plug the headphone cable into the headphone jack and put it on. Step 4. How to charge. Insert the host into the charging base. Connect the other end to a power source for charging. Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the wristwatch, and plug the adapter into a power source to charge. Turn the knob clockwise to power on. Long press the button on top to switch to detection mode. The two buttons below can adjust the headphone volume. Short press the middle button to pause the screen. Long press the middle button to enter the settings page. The plus and minus buttons on the left side can be used to select options on the settings page. The left and right buttons control the option switches respectively. Long press the middle button again to return to the main interface. The icons on the top left of the screen, in order, are detection mode, light, sound and vibration. The icons on the top right of the screen are the networking function icon and the battery indicator. On the right side, UAV indicates the number of detected drones. At the bottom of the interface is the information bar, which displays the detected type, frequency band and signal strength. The warn on the left indicates the number of detected signals. Use the left and right buttons to turn pages to view the information list. Here is the headphone jack and the charging port. Now, let's introduce how to use the information receiving wristwatch. Long press the third button to power on the device. Long press the third button to enter the menu page. Short press the second button to select options. Short press the third button to confirm your selection and to set vibration, buzz, etc. The information detected by the host will be displayed in real time to the information receiving wristwatch.